Insta360 pulled off a massive win with its IPO on Shanghai's Star Market. Shares shot up 285%. They're now sitting at almost $10 billion in valuation. But that's not what we're here for. We're here because something leaked, a brand new lightweight Insta360 action cam. This one looks like a smaller model, and if we're reading between the pixels right, it might be called the Insta360 GO 4S. Yep, not the GO 4, the 4S, which is kind of odd, right? Most folks were expecting the GO 4 sometime around June 2025 following the usual pattern, but if this image is legit, the 4S might actually be dropping before the 4. Confusing? A little, but not totally out of character for Insta360. They've done quick refreshes before, especially when creators start asking for better video quality and stabilization in a teeny tiny form factor. Alright, now let's zoom into the image. First off, the camera itself looks super clean. That lens, definitely a bit bigger than what we got on the GO 3S. And considering the 3S was the first in the GO series to offer 4K video, this might mean an upgraded sensor or sharper optics, or maybe both. The design keeps that classic GO look, small, sleek, magnetic, and super minimal. Right below the lens, there's a thin horizontal light strip that looks like the familiar camera indicator, and to the left there's a button likely doing the same job as the one on the GO 3S. Now here's where things get interesting. Instead of one cutout, there are two. That second one, it might be a flash. And honestly, that would be a pretty sweet addition, perfect for close-up shots in low light. Plus, if they've worked in better wind noise reduction again, we could be looking at a nice audio upgrade too. The GO 3S already improved sound over the GO 3, so this could push things even further. And yeah, if you squint at the case in the image, it really does look like it says GO 4S, which is kind of wild considering the 3S just came out last June. So what are we looking at here? Possibly a GO 4S with a better lens, upgraded audio, maybe a flash, and who knows, maybe even a new action pod to go with it. Or it could be a prototype giving us an early sneak peek into what Insta360 has planned next. Either way, one thing's clear. Insta360 isn't hitting the brakes anytime soon. If this really is the GO 4S, we might be getting a compact beast with serious upgrades. Keep your eyes peeled because if history is any hint, the official reveal might not be far off. Peace.